So the messy plane. So what? Hey guys, this is Yvonne, and obviously today I have a new hairstyle thanks to the wind because we are unboxing the Honor 9X outdoors. So let's open the box and see what it's all about. Okay, so let's unbox this baby. We have, I am assuming, okay, a transparent phone case. And then we have the phone itself, the Honor 9X, featuring a messy post at the back. My god, my hair. Okay, this is the Honor 9X. We've got a USB-C cable and of course the charger, which is a 10-watt charging brick. Do we have earphones? Sadly, we have no earphones. Okay, wait, let me fix my hair. Okay, so the normal haired me is back, I think. So first, the Honor 9X has a 6.59-inch full view display, and this is the first time the X series has a completely full display with no notch at all, because this phone has a pop-up camera. And another new thing about this phone is that it's finally using a USB-C, whereas the previous one, the Honor 8X, it was actually using a micro USB. But we still get some oldie but goodies. We still have the audio jack and a very reliable fingerprint sensor on the back. If you want to get the Honor 9X in midnight black, then you'll realize the design is a bit plain, but it's for those who like simpler designs. But if you get the sapphire blue option, then it comes with this dynamic X design where there's this like X-shaped shiny finish at the back. So there's that, it depends on your preference. Now, Honor didn't just upgrade whatever you can see on the outside, Honor has also upgraded its internals. The Honor 8X used to have 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, but the Honor 9X now have 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. And since it's a new phone, it is shipping with EMUI 9.1 based on Android 9. Other than that, it also has a bigger battery now, so this phone has 4000 mAh battery that supports 10-watt charging. Now to the cameras. Okay, so the Honor 9X has a triple camera setup with the main lens being a 48-megapixel camera, accompanied by an 8-megapixel super wide-angle camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. And on its front, you'll get a 16-megapixel selfie camera on a pop-up mechanism. So let's take some photo and see how it does. Okay, so the 48-megapixel mode actually lets you capture lots of details, but at the same time, you can tell that it's not really sharp when you zoom in on the picture. I'm fine with the colors too. But if you compare it side to side, you realize the super wide-angle pictures have less natural colors. One great thing though, the super wide-angle camera has distortion correction, so the fisheye effect is almost minimal when you use the 8-megapixel lens. Now moving on to the portrait lens, the effect is actually quite artificial, and you'll notice that sometimes it will also crop out parts of my hair. So there's that. And for the selfie, of course it is flawless, but I noticed that there is this white cast over my face, so I'm not a big fan of it either. What is here? Does it matter if I talk here? I will die, Belle. Okay, so the Honor 9X is actually getting lots of upgrades compared to the Honor 8X. It is actually launching tomorrow, so only then will we know the price. But we are giving away the Honor Band 5, so if you're interested in joining our giveaway, I'll link our Facebook page in the description box down below. You can check out our Facebook page and find out how you can join the giveaway. So that's it for our video today. There's hair in my mouth and I'm going to run away from a cockroach that I just saw not too long ago. Bye!